This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Super nice 1998 Broadmore by Fleetwood home in the great Hood Chalet manufacturing home community with an in-ground pool, recreation center and within walking distance to downtown Sandy with its shops and restaurants. Nice open floor plan with a large kitchen flowing into a dining area and vaulted living room. 2-year-old roof, vinyl windows and a covered deck too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.